Hello, esteemed residents of the County of Ottawa, and welcome back to Meeting Minutes. Today we're presenting a delightfully brief recap of the October 14th Board of Commissioners Standing Committee meetings. Remember, the full meeting recordings live over on our YouTube channel, and the meeting agendas can be found on miottawa.org. You can use the handy-dandy timestamps included here to jump to any times in the meeting that catch your eye. Let's get into the Planning and Policy Committee meeting. First, County Treasurer Cheryl Clark presented a few small updates to the bylaws of the Land Bank Authority, which passed in a vote after an amendment. Parks and Recreation Department had 3 easements approved for sections of the Idema Explorers Trail at a total cost of about $15,000. Public Health Officer Adeline Hambley presented some information on Infant Safe Sleep Month, updates to statistics on diseases like West Nile virus, and some other seasonal health information. Then, Community Mental Health Chief Executive Officer Dr. Michael Brashears presented some important updates on CMH's operations and the context of the state and federal mental health systems. Moving on to Finance and Administration, the committee approved the annual agreement with the Michigan State University Extension Program. MSU Extension provides a number of unique services to the county, and we'll be presenting more on MSU Extension's programs in a podcast episode coming out in early November, so make sure to look out for that. An MOU, or a Memorandum of Understanding with Enterprise, was approved to make improvements to our long-standing agreement for fleet management, which will actually save the county quite a bit of money and help things run more smoothly in the long run. Next, the committee approved changing providers for a few employee insurance plans. Replacement exterior signage for county facilities was approved to reflect updates and increase clarity, making it easier to figure out where to go. As someone who got lost in the building the first time I was here, this is a welcome improvement. The 2025 Equalization Apportionment Report, which is a document presenting tax rate and millage information for the year, was approved. Next, Economic Resources Coordinator Becky Huizinga announced that the Department of Strategic Impact has received a very important grant from the EPA to assist with brownfield redevelopment. County Treasurer Cheryl Clark came back to provide an update on the status of the sale of tax delinquent property. An interim administrator, Gary Rosema, updated the committee on the upcoming administrative transition. Then there was a discussion amongst the board about when job description and title changes should be considered a new position and therefore be brought before the board. And that's all I've got for you today. I'll see you in 2 weeks for the October 28th full board meeting. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.